Hey, welcome to Kids Can Code, where we spotlight the magic of coding and how it empowers students of all ages and abilities.
We're your host. I'm Delvin.
And I'm Jayme, and today's episode is all about the Hour of Code, why it's a game changer for students with disabilities, and how easy it is to bring coding into your classroom. Let's get ready to start with Kids Can Code.
So let's jump into the why coding is important for kids.
Because coding teaches so much more than just tech. It builds critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, and even collaboration. Also, technology impacts the lives of students with disabilities beyond the classroom. They utilize technologies such as smartphones and communication devices for both personal and educational reasons.
Exactly. Whether students are writing stories, building games, or solving puzzles, coding teaches them how to break big problems into smaller steps.
Plus, when kids see their code actually works, it boosts their confidence. You can literally see the light bulb turn on.
All right. So what is the hour of code?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Delvin. It's a worldwide movement during Computer Science Education Week where students spend just 1 hour learning code. That's it.
It's free, beginner friendly, and totally engaging. There are lessons themed around Minecraft, Frozen, Star Wars, and even artificial intelligence.
And teachers, you don't have to know how to code. These activities are self guided and perfect for learners of all levels.
So, how can you get started in your classroom, even if you're brand new to this?
Well, Devlin, in this um session, our podcast today, we're going to look at the accessibility tools. So let me go ahead and share my screen so that our users, our teachers, can see just how easy it is to set the accessibility or find accessible activities on code.org. So once you get into code.org, here you can select activities of all grades, pre-readers, grades 2 through 5, 6 through 8, and 9 plus. On the left side, it lets you select what type of activity you want, those that you can use computers, or even if you don't want to use no computers, they have offline. Let me uncheck those. They have offline activities as well. So you don't need a computer. Now, if you go down a little bit further, we have one where you see accessibility, where you can click on screen reader, text to speech, and you can see all the different activities that have those accessibility tools. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Lila and Stu's Snack Chase. It comes with the teacher notes, which is the teacher lesson plan, and also the link to the activity, and it lets you know which accessibility tools are available. So screen reader, text to speech, and keyboard navigation. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Once it comes up, it has an intro video, or your readers, look down here, you'll see the immersive reader button. It will, if you press play, it will read. Let's code a video game. So not only will it read to the student, but it has other accessibility tools as you can change the text size, the font, and also if you need more of a screen that contrasts, it will change that for you. It can break it down to make it more grammatical, or break it down to syllables to make it more reader friendly. And also the reading preference, we can have a line focus. And it also comes with a picture dictionary. So if you click on the word game, it will give you the visuals for that word and video. Awesome. Not only that, you can translate into over 80 languages. So if you have a student that is Burmese, it will translate the whole document into that language. Isn't that amazing?
It truly is.
So that's one thing that our users or your students of various abilities, they will have access to an hour of code. So that's that.
No one-on-one devices? No problem. Use a projector to code together as a class or try an unplugged activity. Yes, coding without computers.
You can also tie it into other subjects, have students write a story in Scratch, or use logic puzzles in math. The possibilities are endless.
And don't forget, you're not expected to be an expert. Just be the guide. Let your students explore and even teach each other.
One of my favorite moments was watching a student who rarely participates suddenly take the lead during Hour of Code. She was able to create a soccer game animation and taught others how to do it.
That's what it's all about. Coding unlocks confidence and gives every student a chance to shine.
See, you don't need to be a fancy tech or get a special training, just a willingness to try and some curiosity.
So here's your challenge. Pick 1 hour of code activity this week, just 1 hour, and see what happens.
Hey, you just might inspire the next tech innovator, game designer, or problem solver in your classroom.
Thanks for watching Kids Can Code. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your hour of code moments with us using the hashtag #KidsCanCode.
See you next time. And remember, when kids can code, kids grow. All right, bye.